Hey, how's it going, everybody? Check this out. This right here is an absolute game changer for any gardener out there. This isn't just your average pump sprayer. This is an electric pump sprayer. No more struggling up and down every couple minutes to keep pressure in there. But this has a lithium-ion battery in here, and you can charge this. But you get somewhere between 10 and 20 full tanks of discharge before you actually got to charge the battery again. I'm going to show you how this works. Super easy to fertilize your crops, do some foliar feeding. I'm going to put in a little bit of liquid kelp. That's about 2 tablespoons. This is a 2-gallon container, and I'm going to do equal part here some fish emulsion. And we'll fill this up with water. So you want to either foliar feed in the morning or in the evening. You don't want to do it midday when the plants are getting blasted with sun. So we got the top back on. Now let me show you how cool this is. I should have got one of these a long time ago. So there's a button here. All you do is press the button and it's going to pressurize the tank. So that took what, about 30 seconds? Now we're ready to go. It's got a really nice spray tip on here as well, brass spray tip. And we're going to go around and spray the underside of the leaves. Gonna adjust it. About perfect right there. This is going to give you the most bang for your buck doing a foliar feed with a pump sprayer like this. And you can really direct that fertilizer. It's the underside of the leaves you really want to target. That's how the plant's going to absorb this. It's going to run the fertilizer all the way through the plant, all the way down to the root system. And you see, it automatically kicked in again and started to pressurize on its own because we started to lose a little pressure. You can just keep on working. And you can adjust the stream so you can really shoot pretty far. See that? I'm telling you, I wish I would have got one of these a long time ago. Fish emulsion and liquid kelp is one of my favorite combos. Some worm tea, some compost tea. I'm just spraying my non-fruiting plants right now because I don't want to put any of this on my food crops that I'm currently eating, including my greens. I'm not eating these leaves right now. I'm letting the plant grow up. So just give it a good feeding. But some of my fruit trees, like this Asian pear, give a little blast of nutrition there. Got a cherry tree here. It's the little things like this. If you can work them into your routine, you're going to see amazing results in your garden. Your plants are going to be healthier. They're going to produce better. They're going to be more pest resistant. Spray the aronia berries here. You got little green berries on them, but we won't be eating off these for a long time, so. still a few fruits remaining on this kumquat tree. I'll make sure to rinse those good before I eat them, but the tree is looking healthy. It's starting to actually push out its new set of flowers now. A good time to give it a little feeding. Got the pineapple guava here. Lots of little fruit setting on this tree. It's got a ways to go. We'll give it a little boost tonight. Little added nutrition. Also, I'm going to hit up these echinacea flowers down here. So like I said, you saw the small amount of fertilizer I used, about 2 tablespoons of the fish emulsion in the liquid kelp. And look at just how far we're able to stretch that out using a pump sprayer. And this electric pump just makes it so easy now. When it's easy, you're more likely to do this type of thing more often, which is going to give you the best results in your garden. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the Field King Pro Max electric pump sprayer, I'll drop a link below the video. I've been very happy with this product. There's a lot of good reviews on it. More information over at Amazon as well. Just check it out. So I'm going to hit up the jujube tree over here. So I'm going to turn that spray so that I can get real far. Look at that, guys. I'm able to hit the top of the tree. That tree is a good 12 feet tall. And it's saying thank you. Thank you so much. I see so many little flowers on these jujubes this year. I'm so excited. I'm going to hit up this other one over here as well. You just want to try to drench the plants to the point where they're just dripping. Get up the ceanothus here, give it a little love, why not? Here we've got a Washington Navel orange, some young fruits setting on the tree. I'm going to need to cut back that wisteria over there, let some more sun in. And we're getting to the end here. And I'll hit up the pomegranate tree with what's left. That smell good, sweetie? we got some of the mist blowing back on us. All right, we're about done. Hit up the rosemary. And there it is. Press the button again, you turn the machine off. That's what I call easy, streamlined. Now there is a purge valve, a pressure release valve here. You can pull it open. Now you can safely open up the top. Boom. Quickly rinse this out, put in some more solution. But it's so nice that all you have to do is just take this off and plug it into your outlet. See, there's a little connector there. Anyway, guys, just wanted to share this with you. I love sharing with you different products that make our gardening life easier, help to streamline the process, give us good results. I'm a big fan of Foliar Feeding, and with this little machine here, I'm going to be able to stretch out my product a lot further. It's actually fun to do now. It's not so much of a challenge having to pump the sprayer every few minutes. So I still got my pump sprayer I'll use for some other applications, but for a more regular usage, this is where it's at. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. Hope you're all having a great evening. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com.
And Alice.
Thank you all for watching. Have a good night. We're also doing a bit of planting this evening. We still got some cayenne pepper transplants to plug into the garden. Alice is sprinkling a bit of mycos, mycorrhizal inoculant, around the roots there. And we're planting where we just recently harvested potatoes. See, we already got some flowers in some of these cups here. I want to show you guys something really cool as well that happened this year. It's never happened before. Back over here, I've got some pepper plants. I believe these are serranos, and these literally perennialized. They were growing here last year. And you can see the old wood right here. There's a old dry pepper there. But literally there was enough protection in this area with the surrounding plants, and I think the pond also creating a microclimate to where it stayed warm enough for these plants to overwinter. And look, we've got a little pepper here developing. So there's 3 pepper plants here that overwintered. Never had that happen before here where we're located. We get below freezing, down to the low 20s at times. That's pretty exciting. So what that mycos does is it creates mycelium that will run and connect to the roots of the plants, and it'll just basically expand the reach of the roots of the plant to pick up added water, nutrients. Still need to collect the seed pods. The birds got a lot of the seeds, but there's still quite a few viable seeds to collect.